and Sami is eager to learn them all. As the sun sets, Sami and his family gather around a campfire, listening to Bedouin music and tales of old. The night sky, filled with stars, adds a magical touch to this unforgettable day. Sami's trip to Petra has been more than just a visit to an ancient city. It's been an adventure filled with wonder, learning, and memories that will last a lifetime. He leaves with a heart full of stories and a spirit ready for the next adventure. Join Sami in discovering the wonders of the world,